guys. I wanted to show you, this is from my living room to yours. We're going to go over the denneroll. These can be a little confusing. If you guys get a neck orthotic and it says shoulders this side, you know which side to put it on. But there's quite a few of us that have straightened cervical spines, and it's really not good for our necks at all. So, in order to do home care, you want to center it. And you can do two things for one. I get my neck all happy, and then I get my knees up in a 90-90. Now, if I push my back away, I'm helping my low back, and then I relax my shoulders. And I can even push into the floor, like I'm pushing down, while my jaws relax, and I have my neck on the orthotic. Sometimes you can turn your head a little bit if you want to watch TV, but you don't want to do that the whole time. And you're going to come this way. And just to make sure that you balance it out, unless we told you to do one way in particular, okay? So, and then some people get confused about if it's supposed to be high or really low. If your head is hanging this way and you feel right here, that's way too low. Don't do that. You want it like right in the center. It's not by the back of your ears or your cranium, but you can kind of feel it on the top, right? It's supporting the center. There's 7 vertebrae, so you're putting it on 3, 4, and 5, which is right in the center. And for me, I've had a lot of whiplashes, so I have to take a lot of caution to relax these muscles. So it's like really letting the shoulders go and really allowing this go. And then you're going to have a really good experience on the orthotic. Now, the orthotic does not have to be used long. I use mine about 2 minutes a day. So don't think that you now have to do this. I know the little charts is 20 minutes, and for some of you we might have recommended more, but I've had this now for 10 years. I put a little dent in mine, because every winter when I'm on the mountain, I go do my fun stuff, and I don't quit doing life. I know how to heal. So don't quit playing with your kids, don't quit working, don't sit on the couch all the time, don't quit anything. Learn how to heal and go do it, and then when you get an injury, you know exactly what to do. You get adjusted, you do your home care. And that did not take very long. So it took a lot longer watching it than for me to do this. And I helped my low back and my neck. All right, love how you guys. Happy New Year.